Save this one for Ramadan. Philly cheesesteaks. We're going to start by heating up some oil and sauteing some onions, and then we're going to add steak. I'm using Somali steak because it's thinly sliced, and then I've just cut them up into smaller pieces, and then we add all of our seasoning, add in some chopped peppers and loads of butter and salt to your liking, and then we're kind of done with that. We'll just leave that to a side. We're going to cheat with the cheese sauces, just sliced cheese, bit of milk in the microwave. And then instead of individually assembling them, we're going to do it all at once in an oven dish. I'm just using some brioche hot dog rolls from the supermarket. You slice it, remove the top, and add that cheese sauce, and then we layer in our steak that we made, and I like to add some shredded cheese and then more of that cheese sauce. Place the top of the buns back on, and then I'm going to be extra and make a garlic butter with a bit of coriander generously, brush it on the top, cover it with some foil, and we bake for about 10 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius, and you end up with this. Can we look at this and admire it? It's one of the greatest things that I've made in a very long time. I made some extra cheese sauce for dipping because that one is important and it's insane. Please go make it, don't miss out, go enjoy.